Alam mo ba na lahat tayo ay may talento? Oo, kahit ikaw. Pero paano mo nga ba malalaman kung ano yung talento mo kung di mo pa siya natutuklasan? Maraming tao nagsasabi na hindi ako magaling at hindi ko kaya. Pero sa totoo lang, yung talento mo baka nandyan lang sa harap mo, waiting to be unlocked. Kaya naman today, tutulungan kita mahanap ang talent mo at kung paano mo ito matutulungan mag-grow. Ready ka na ba? This is Have You Ever Wonder, and for this video, tutulungan kita mahanap or madiscover ang talento mo. Talent is not about something you're born with, it's being discovered. Isa sa mga common misconceptions ay na ang talento ay isang bagay na ipinanganak ka lang na may ganoong skill. Pero ang totoo, madalas ang talento ay nadidiscover lang kapag tinry mo. Baka hindi mo pa siya nakikita kasi natatakot kang magkamali or matuklasan na di ka pala magaling. Pero isipin mo to, kung di ka man lang magtatry, paano mo malalaman kung may talent ka? Let me share you a story. Si Michael Jordan, isa sa pinakamagaling na basketball player sa buong mundo. Hindi siya naging varsity player nung high school, siya rin mismo nagsabi, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games 26 times. I've been trusted to take the game winning and still miss." Pero siya pa rin ang naging GOAT kasi nga hindi siya tumigil sa pagsubok. Wala naman kasing guaranteed na success right away, but if you keep trying, you'll eventually discover what you're really good at. Don't be afraid to explore and try some different new things. Experiment. Baka ngayon di mo pa alam kung saan ka magaling, and that's actually okay. Sometimes kailangan mo lang mag-explore. Subukan mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nasusubukan. Mag-drawing ka kahit di ka pa professional, subukan mong sumayaw kahit di ka pa dancer, mag-edit ka ng videos kahit di mo pa alam lahat ng techniques, sumulat ng poem or story kung gusto mo, or kahit mag-learn ka ng bagong skill online. The key here is to open yourself up to new possibilities. Ang talent mo minsan hindi agad makikita, but by exploring different activities, you're actually unlocking a part of yourself na hindi mo pa natutuklasan. Your talent is not about perfection. It's about consistency. Ang secret dito ay consistency. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect agad. Kung gusto mo maging magaling sa isang bagay or sa kahit anong skill, kailangan mo lang mag-practice araw-araw. Let me ask you, paano ka magiging magaling sa isang bagay kung hindi mo ito susubukan? For example, gusto mo maging magaling na artist, hindi mo agad mararating yon by just watching tutorials or admiring other artists. You need to start drawing kahit pa first try mo ay hindi maganda, pero sa bawat pagkakamali mo, natututo ka, and that's how growth happens. Try asking the people around you. Don't forget to ask others for feedback. Sometimes the people around us see potentials that we don't see in ourselves. Tulad ng isang istorya na isang bata na hindi alam na may talento pala siya sa music, pero dahil sa suporta ng mga magulang at teacher niya, natutunan niyang marunong pala siyang mag-gitara. Ang mga feedback at suporta mula sa ibang tao ay nakakatulong sa iyo mag-discover ng iyong mga strengths. So next time, ask someone you trust, ano sa tingin mo ang talento ko? You'll be surprised kung gaano kanila nakikita as someone with a special skill. How about your passion? Your passion is a great indicator of talent. Another way to find your talent is by following your passion. Ano ba yung mga bagay na talagang kinahihiligan mong gawin? For example, kung mahilig ka sa photography pero hindi mo pa alam kung may talent ka, start experimenting with different angles, lighting, and editing styles. Passion is like a compass. Kapag passionate ka sa isang bagay, it leads you towards discovering your true talent. If you're passionate about helping others, maybe your talent is in teaching or in inspiring people. So ngayon, kung napapaisip ka na hindi ka magaling o wala kang talent, let me remind you something. Talent is being built, not being given. It's a journey of discovering what lights you up and dedicating yourself to it. There's no perfect formula naman no shortcuts, and it's all about taking that first step and being willing to fail until you succeed. So today, I dare you and I challenge you to try a new different thing this week. Be consistent with it for at least 30 days, ask for feedback, and most importantly, keep going kasi pag tuloy-tuloy ka, malapit ka na makilala ng talent mo. Kung na-inspire ka ng video na to, don't forget to hit that like button. Share mo ito sa isang friend na pakiramdam ay wala na talagang pag-asa. And make sure to subscribe na rin kung gusto mo pa ng more content on personal growth, self-improvement, and discovering your real potential. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you and goodbye. See you in the next video.